Another beautiful day, and looks like another great week ahead of us.
Yeah, the weekend looks really good. Next week's looking nice as well. Really not looking at any major problems in the days to come. We've got more sunshine. We are tracking a front for Friday evening, early Friday night. Could produce a shower here or there, but most areas will not see the rain. As we look ahead then into the weekend, warmer weather, not so much over the weekend, but more toward early to middle next week. We'll get back into a return to southerly winds once again. We'll actually have a little bit of that tomorrow as well, and we hold at least at the level we were today, maybe even come up a degree or so. Right now we've got lots of sunshine, clouds to the south. Saw this pattern set up yesterday with the rain. It's even a little bit farther south today over southern Oklahoma down into North Texas. That's where the bulk of the rain's falling. That's also where it's cooler with temperatures in the mid 70s to our south. Lots of 80s though in Kansas, Nebraska, Easton, and Missouri as well. Currently across the region we've got 84 in Manhattan, 81 for Emporia and Burlington, as well as up north at Seneca. Just a gorgeous afternoon. The breezes are fairly light, but they're there at about 10 miles per hour out of the east and southeast, a little stronger around Emporia and Burlington, and just enough of that wind blowing through the area with the sunshine and the warm weather to make for just about perfect weather out there right now. And certainly just a gorgeous day in Manhattan. A couple of clouds, you see them just barely dotting the sky there. They're minuscule, not looking at much, certainly not blocking the sun much. Look from west Topeka, sunny day. Currently 83 in the capital city with a southeast wind at 10. We've reached 84 so far. Start out the morning in the mid 50s, and it looks like we'll be pretty close to that again tomorrow as we look at KSNT Future Track, falling back down through the 70s into the mid to upper 60s at 10:30 this evening. Should be a pleasant evening out ahead of us. Should dip into the middle to upper 50s by tomorrow morning. Another pleasantly cool start to the day. This dry air cools off nicely at night, but then turn around and it warms up quickly. We're already pushing the 80-degree mark again by noontime tomorrow, and we climb up into the low to mid 80s. Could see a little bit more cloud cover try to develop southeast, may hold some temperatures in the upper 70s for a while late tomorrow afternoon. And then we head into Saturday, mid 60s, but with a northwest wind likely holding in the upper 70s north to low 80s by Saturday afternoon. We are tracking a weak cold front that's forming. It'll move through Friday night. That's why the winds will cool us off a degree or two for Saturday. That's what's a weak cold front. It's not going to be a strong one, but it'll move into the area. Out ahead of it, we are clear. A look at KSNT Future Track shows clear skies tonight. A few thin clouds start to show up a little bit through the day tomorrow to the south and maybe a stray shower. But here comes this front, and as it pushes through, most areas don't see much along that frontal boundary. Just a slight chance for a shower, a storm as it moves through, mainly late evening or early tomorrow night. Your KSNT Storm Track 7-day forecast. There's that 20% chance of a shower late tomorrow evening, tomorrow night. Otherwise 85 ahead of the front, 83 behind it on Saturday, 80 on Sunday, and middle to upper 80s much of next week. We start to heat up a little bit by Wednesday, 87. Could be pushing the 90-degree mark by Thursday of next week as that warmth sets in. Kind of have to expect it. After all, it is June now. There's a look at last evening's sunset from Sharon Holden and Emporia, also from Ty and Michelle Lippert. A beautiful view at Lecompton from Britt Hutzinger, and also a view from Tecumseh. Wow. Beautiful view there from Elaine Tolan, and nice sunset. We started off today with a gorgeous sunrise in Topeka from Rick and Karen Stadler.
You know, some of these pictures are so beautiful. I would not be surprised if someone was like, no, that was actually painted. I could go either way. I'm like, is it real or is it a paint?
If nothing else, it needs to be a postcard.
Seriously.
Yeah.
Let's get into the business.
All right.